Hey guys, in this video I will show you how can you make yours wheels look like new. It is possible to do it pretty cheap with some elbow grease. But there are some pricey tools like air compressor and spray gun which I already had, so that's why it's cheap for me. Something like this is possible to do with cans, but it will increase the price. So let's get started. Here are some tools which we will need. Cleaning tools like knife and some brushes. You can use these with your drill. Those brushes are primarily for the oxidation removal. Oxidation looks like this. It looks like bubbles and you can feel it with your fingers. Also some sandpapers, the best will be those that are used with water. Bucket of water. You can use those, for example on bolt holes. We can also use aluminium putty if you have some minor damages. Some degreaser and rags. And of course your paint. Let's start with removing center caps, valves and weights. Be careful because caps are plastic and brittle. The valves can be cut off. Now we can start with cleaning the backside. You can use drill and brush, or angle grinder with brush. You should use safety glasses because those brushes are flying off while you are using them. And jump on the front side. Don't forget to remove any oxidation. Now starts the hard part. I am using 120 grit sandpaper. Dip it into the water. And start to sand the wheels. You have to sand the face of the wheel until you take off the shinies. Another thing is, the surface has to be smooth because any hump will be seen after you paint the wheel. The backside of wheel can be entirely done only with steel brush, because you will not see that part of the wheel. Now we can take care of big scratches. You have to degrease the spot, so our putty will stick to the surface. We need some plate for mixing. Don't use too much because you will have a lot of sanding. After it dried out, sand it so it's flush. Now we have to hide any contact surfaces. Use masking tape and apply it on hub face and bolt holes. Take a knife and remove tape around hub face. For the bolt's contact face I am using wet piece of wood and piece of steel tube. When the wood is wet, the tape will not stick to it. And now I will punch bits of tape with steel tube. Before paint job, you have to thoroughly degrease the wheels. Now I will be preparing my paint and spray gun. First I will paint backside of the wheels. I will be spraying 2 layers. If I will spot any drippings, I will just wipe them with rag and degreaser. And spray that part of wheel again. And here is my finished paint job. Thank you for watching.